calling 2022 CR 7878, State of Texas versus Augustine Adam. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Catherine Pollard.
for the defense?
Charles Button.
I don't think she needs it that slow. Are you Mr. Adam? Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Adam, I'm showing you what's entitled application for a deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Adam, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation second? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court can find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Absolutely.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
You believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Adam, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $750 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there being such motions?
Okay.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, no contact with Destiny Cardenas, hostility and aggression control course, and no firearms. Did you understand? Those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations. Then how do you plead to the offenses charged? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Judge. The state would offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1.
No objections.
Mr. Adam, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement that the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if we can go off the record for a moment. State, I don't see the 620085 cause number in the stip.
Is that?
That's the case that makes it a second. No problem. And it's cause number 620085.
We're willing to stipulate to that and don't object to the state adding to the stipulated evidence at the conclusion of the hearing.
All right, so attorney, state's attorneys, are you able to print that off?
I'm afraid, what was the number again?
It's cause number 620085. And so, Mr. Adam, we're back on the record. Mr. Adam, do you understand that the state is adding to their stipulations, and what they're adding to their stipulations is your previous conviction and cause number 620085 on October 8th, 2019. Do you have any objection to that being added? Defense, any
No.
objections? Okay. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments with the addendum of the conviction and cause number 620085, and the court will review the document. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please,
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, he's been in jail for in excess of 4 months. I believe he's worthy of the plea bargain we ask you to follow.
All right, Mr. Adam, do you have any children?
Yeah.
What are their ages?
7, 6, 5.
Are these children of Destiny Cardenas?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to follow the no contact order. Your relationship with her outside of the children is over. And if you have contact with her, it's going to have contact with your children. That's going to have to be through a third party or through the electronic app. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I do contracting. I resurface hardwood floors.
Okay. All right, it's a $750 fine. That'll be probated. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, 4 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination with the booster. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do that, 40 of your hours will be waived. I'm going to ask for parenting classes. Is Child Protective Services involved?
Yes.
All right, there's going to be parenting classes, CPS compliance and probation. CPS should have parenting classes for him. So if they do, he doesn't have to do it twice. He can do it through CPS.
Your Honor, I did parenting classes with compadre, and I have finished that already.
Well, was that done after this?
Yes. I
Right.
just never got my certificate. I still can go and get my certificate.
Right, you'll have to provide proof of that. The court will give probation, the court will give him credit for that, but only if those classes were done after the date of this offense. All right, so there's to be CPS compliance, no contact with Destiny Cardenas, and probation. If he has completed the parenting classes, then the remaining of the community service hours can be waived. It goes without saying, you're not allowed to possess any firearms or ammunition. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs, field visits, 1 time per month. And state, is there a reason you're asking for hostility and aggression control course as opposed to BIPP?
No, Judge.
All right, so we're going to do the BIPP course. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Thank you. All right, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Mr. Adam, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because there's been an affirmative finding of family violence, state, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you're involved in a relationship with somebody and they come in at 2 a.m., guess what? Everybody is an adult. You have no right to treat them badly. You just have a choice to make. Either you want to stay in the relationship or not. Those are your choices. Your choice is not violence. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So before you get into another relationship, you probably need to work on yourself. Well, not probably, you need to work on yourself. All right, good luck to you.
May we be excused?
Yes,
Thank you.
and I'm gonna take up this last plea and then we're gonna bring the jurors back in.